ChatGPT is one of the best AI tools one can use to do research. Now, the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, has declared that this tool be banned in Kenya as from 15th of May 2023. Why is he doing this? It's because he feels that many students have become lazy. They do their research on this tool. But I wonder, because that is why this tool exists. So I thought and I said to myself, let me ask ChatGPT and see how he or she feels about this, okay? So let's look at this. I'll go here. I'll just show you what I did. So first, I just greeted him and I said, hey, how are you? And he was like, hello, how can I help you? And I said, before you assist me, will you be banned in Kenya as from 15th May 2023? And I mentioned that the president feels like students have become lazy. And this is what the tool told me. I'm an artificial intelligence language model and I don't have the ability to be closed or banned in any country. Okay? Additionally, as an AI language model, I don't have any control over how individuals use me or any other technology for that matter. Okay? My purpose is to provide information and assist users in the best way possible. Okay? That is satisfactory. But look at this. I did another search and I asked the same question, and this is what the tool told me. As an AI language model, I don't have physical presence or location. Okay? I am a software program that operates on servers maintained by OpenAI, and my services are accessible from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Regarding the reported ban in Kenya, I don't have any information on that. However, I do not believe that I make students lazy. In fact, many students use AI language models like myself as a tool to aid them in their learning and research efforts. And this is my point. We use ChatGPT to find information or to do research, because I'm no longer a student. I do research on content creation, and this is a tool that helps me. Mark that. My purpose is to assist and provide helpful responses to users' queries to the best of my ability. Okay, so for me, I have hopes high that this is not going to be banned. Unless there is any other way that they can do it. If you know it, please drop me a comment. But for me, I feel it is not going to be banned. Yes, students might be using it for its advantage, and it's good. If a student can take it serious, it can become the best tool for research, because this is a giant. It does a lot of information. I'll be making a separate video on how you can use this to even, come up with a faceless YouTube channel and just make good out of it, or even a TikTok account. Okay, so if you need that video, please drop me a comment. I'll be happy to do that. Otherwise, I just wanted you to know how ChatGPT feels about the ban in Kenya.